Morning, everybody. Monday morning. What we happen to have here is a Cobra 2-car engine. Built quite a few of these. Our 347s are a very popular model. This customer chose to go to a brand new dark block. We got our Eagle rotating assembly in here. We got a front T-sump Canton oil pan. Got a nice Cobra valve cover. We got a Cobra air cleaner. This got a silver Phytech on it. And we got our MSD distributor as usual. Once again, everything is custom built to order. So again, if you have something in mind, give us a call and get in line and we'll be happy to build something for you. Thank you.
Impressive for a 4 1/4. Nice. Come right back down. We got 449 horsepower. Nice. And 438 foot-pound of torque. Awesome. There you go, Russell. Beautiful motor.